Namaste India and the rest of the world. Welcome at SMK and Stads manufacturing plant. We are happy to announce that we have two teams from our global partners, Australia and Colombia, here today to see our factory, see what we do, feel the passion of how we make the helmets, and make sure that everybody in the world can have a wonderful helmet for not a crazy price, but the best quality, the best outlook. Today, we're gonna show them the factory from start to finish, raw material up to the finalized product. It's gonna be an amazing experience for them to really see what happens behind the screens of making a helmet. On the rest of the week, we're gonna show them the heart of India. Another great thing that we're gonna do is show them the famous Taj Mahal through a motorcycle ride to Agra. Okay guys, very nice. Yesterday we have seen the whole group, our friends from Australia and Colombia, witnessing our factory, seeing where the safe riding gear of SMK is made. Today, we're heading towards the iconic Taj Mahal on a ride with this whole group of friends right here. It's gonna be an amazing trip. They're gonna experience how safe it is to ride with our material and test all our material. We're so excited. We cannot wait. It's gonna be a blast. Yo, DJ, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Very good.
Cool. Hey, so I see you have here the SMK Gullwing.
Yeah.
Why did you choose specifically the flip-up modular from our lineup in Australia?
Actually, it's the first time that I've used a modular helmet. In Australia, I like the SMK full-face helmets because it's for faster road riding, which is what I like. Here in India, I really like the idea of being able to stop and look around, talk to people, flip up the helmet. And for that, it has been really, really good.
How's your helmet treating you?
Pretty good. I'm trying the Typhoon.
Typhoon?
Typhoon.
Yeah.
So it also have the double visor,
Awesome.
black one inside, and that color is really amazing. A very good flow for the air.
Yeah.
So fresh, so lighter. So I'm perfect with that.
We're on the way to Jaipur to have a great cultural visit to really get the feeling of how India is and how warm the people are. Hi everyone, welcome back at SMK Helmets. Yesterday they were at the Taj Mahal. Today we are doing something different. We are showing them the real culture of India at Chokhi Dhani in Jaipur. Come with me to see how the team is enjoying their stay.
The whole thing's been a great experience, but I've definitely got a new view of SMK and what you guys can do and what you're bringing to the industry. So I think that will be quite valuable in my position.
How was your experience so far here in India?
India's been fantastic. I've loved all the people, the staff have been lovely, the food's been amazing. The helmet factory tour was fantastic. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
I'm really super impressed for the culture. It's totally different of our have ever life in South America.
No matter where we ride, SMK rides with us.